Alrighty, how is everyone doing? Welcome to my channel. It's an educational channel. We try to help you out with uh, turning you on to great theories, concepts, and discoveries that you might not know about. Things that have been suppressed generally from your consumption, and otherwise things that maybe are a little bit difficult to stomach uh, in terms of your having to really apply yourself mentally or emotionally, uh, challenging your cherished beliefs. This segment is called The Q-Tip of the Spear, where I look at the coverage of the cutting edge of the info war out there, the war between the globalists and the patriots, a war that most people don't know is even going on yet, because it's really fifth generation warfare, mainly through information, um, propaganda, psyops, hoaxes, false flags, amplified messaging, and so on. My recommendation for the last little while here has been to get yourself redeployed because the messaging that we're receiving right now um, is not for you. You are not the intended target of the news right now. It's for other people, and it has a tendency to be able to trigger people who already kind of know what's going on because it's maddening. It's stupid, it's ridiculous, it's absurd, and it's insulting, and it's also a lot of times um, fear porn, or at least minor fear porn, what you call soft fear porn, and it is trying to scare people awake, which is a questionable tactic, but it's not for you because you know better, um, you know, and so instead, I'm trying to look down the road. And I think I heard one podcaster say today, we're being exposed to difficult truths, to suppressed truths, to things that fly in the face of conventional wisdom. But this is just the beginning. It's going to get more and more difficult, and you're in better position when you are prepared for the the events as they transpire. Um, you know, these a lot of these things can be very shocking, and I think that there are going to be people who, when they find out certain things, um, they won't be able to get out of bed for a while, and they might hover around suicidal uh, tendencies for a while. Hopefully, they can hang in there and bounce back, because that's how I felt. Uh, you know, at many times over the last 35 years, where I'm like, what? This is a huge rug pull. This is something that I believed in my whole life, and I even invested in it, and I, you know, uh, bragged about it, or I talked about it. I, propped it up, and now I'm finding out that it was just one big psyop. And that is exactly where we're headed. Um, and I don't think it even matters how much you've been red pilled. Um, there are going to be aspects of this that are going to wake you up more. And so that's another element of flexibility that I really think that the Patriots need to be able to recognize. First, some humility, because I do hear a lot of the Patriots saying, making fun of the people who aren't so-called awake, and also thinking that they are awake and they may be more awake than the people that they're ridiculing, but all of us have blind spots. All of us have areas that we have taken for granted that, in fact, are not true and can be demonstrated to be not true through digging and research and discernment. And especially, the further back into history that we go, the less that we have examined. But, the PSYOP level, the hoax false flag level was just as high back then as it is now. And so, as they say, it's turtles all the way down, rug pulls all the way down. You think you've got something to stand on, something solid to stand on, and then, the bottom drops out. And that has happened to all of us, I think. That's how we got here in the first place. But it's going to continue to happen. And the way that it works out best is if you bring it upon yourself. If you volunteer to, expose yourself to these type of um, red pilling moments, then you can take it on your own at your own pace, and in your own environment, as opposed to having it like thrust on you unexpectedly, and possibly at a time where you're very vulnerable, or a time where you can't afford to uh, not get out of bed for a few days or even longer. um, I never got to the point where I didn't get out of bed, but I got to the point where I didn't want to get out of bed. Um, and I wanted to just cry myself to sleep, So, um, and, I would say that the primary thing that I'm talking about is for the patriots, and it's totally different for the libs, but for the patriots, this has to do with your belief systems, um, your heritage belief systems, your hero belief systems, your religious belief systems, your moral code belief systems, your dietary um, excellence uh, belief systems. I will tell you right now that for the majority of the patriots, these are all wrong. And they're all going to need to be examined because they have all been psyops. You've been brainwashed into thinking that you are eating the right diet, or that you are believing in the right God, or the right belief system, of reading the right religious book. Um, no such thing. And holding in high regard the wrong people, and um, it's a scar on the patriot movement, because the patriots have prided themselves upon being, following the truth where it leads them, and they have followed the truth where it leads them, as long as it's not following the truth that they cherish. As long as it's somebody else's truth that they're challenging, they do a great job. But when it's their own stuff, they have been mysteriously silent, specifically about the origins, the true authorship of their holy book, the New Testament. It was obviously and uh, demonstrably written by the Roman emperors as a psyop against the Jews. I would suggest that you start doing some research, Could start with Joseph Atwill's book Caesar's Messiah, Henry Davis's Creating Christianity, James Valiant, C.W. Fahey's Creating Christ, the works of Roman Piso, Abelard Reuchlin, the work of Michael Menescot's Christianity's Origin as a Flavian Secrecy Cult. That should get you started. This is not coming out of left field. It's coming out of absolute common sense and the desire to stop the evasion. You know, everything points to the Romans for having written the New Testament, but the Christians have parried all of the evidence. And in the same way that the leftists do, we're just getting outraged and, oh, how there's no way, people would have discovered it by now. Or, I come up with one reason why it's not true, and so therefore it's not true. Or I can come up with one piece of evidence and, grow up and do the research. Also, hundreds of videos on this channel on this topic as well, if that is a place that you want to get started. Okay, like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and come back tomorrow for another episode of the Q-Tip of the Spear. Thanks for tuning in today, and have a great day.